Once you got your beer draft tower, you're gonna have to start by drilling a hole through the top of your refrigerator. We already measured out to have a circle perfectly in the center. We're gonna push it a little bit back, that way there's more room in the front in case anything spills. Since we got a hole through the center, we're gonna try a little bit larger of a bit to widen it out. You're going to remove the freezer section of the refrigerator. So now we ran into a little bit of a problem with the freezer. We learned that you can't break it off. So we're going to have to bend it down and remove this side piece before we're able to do that. So Jake over here couldn't figure it out, so Dan had to hop in real quick, get in front of the camera for some action right here. Look at that shirt. What's that say? Krusty Burger. Yeah. A little crusty like this refrigerator, but we're making it work.
We can't break this tube because this is where all the Freon goes throughout, and this is what's gonna cool the fridge. So we're just gonna probably put this back here.
Just reattach that there.
All right.
So then you're going to feed both your tubes through the hole. We had to widen it from the bottom end a little bit just to make sure that we could get the second tube in there. They'll both go from the two different directions. You can go ahead and feed it through. Hit the top one. And then we're going to use a drill to put some holes in here and then screw down the base of the draft tower. Although my draft tower was for 2 kegs, we decided to go with 1 for now, and we'll add the other one later on. Excuse the tray from my Keurig. Look below to find out where you can get this refrigerator and the draft tower. We went with 1 instead of 2 kegs for the meantime. Also, if you'd like me to make a video to show you how to set up the draft system and the CO2 tank for the keg, comment below.